Alright, I'm going to show you now how to set up text modules within your new page. So text means that we're going to focus entirely on this module here. So I'm going to go ahead and create a heading. Let's say that this commerce training includes education for members, member education. So we're going to title this member, oops, oh, things are set up wrong here. Let me go back up. I'm going to call this member education. And now we have a header. And what we can do is, since we're in that large block at the top, instead of these three modules down here, then I think it probably would be good if I took and I drag this down into this module. If you notice what's happened now, I have member education here. And let's go ahead and bring a heading over to the third box instead of the second box. And let's press the little pencil. Little pencil is for editing. The trash can is for obvious. Delete. This is handy because you can duplicate it. And if I click duplicate, you can see that it will duplicate that same heading. So now what I can do is I can just drag it over here, for instance. And then I can go in and click the pencil, and we'll call this admin education. And then in the center, we don't want that. We're going to go ahead and just remove it. All right. And it will give you confirmation to remove. Okay. And then what we want to do is we want to add text. I'm going to add a text block underneath member education. And I'm going to go up. Whoops. I'm going to go up and I'm going to grab text block over here. And now we have text block underneath the header. And we also, what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and put in a little highlight here. And we're going to go ahead and drag highlight into the top section. And we're going to say something like spending time with our educational tools will help you get a lot more from our services. And that's the truth, guys. Okay, so now what we've done is got a little highlight box up there at the top. We've got our two columns. And let's say here I'm going to blow out of just the text only for just a second. And I'm going to grab an image and show you how I'll be covering this in more detail in a little bit, but I'll show you right now. Sneak one in. I'm going to go ahead and go to my computer, and in my case I use the Google Drive. So I'll just choose this random picture here, and we'll go ahead and put that in. And that's how you get started with the texting modules.